Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with London's struggling IPO market, where in recent weeks numerous firms have pulled their IPO plans away from London flotation. However, despite seemingly adverse conditions, some firms are preparing to brave the IPO market, with companies such as GoCompare and Convatec due to list this week. The Convatec flotation represents the UK's largest listing of the year, with the company valued at £4.4 billion. Shares have been priced at 225 pence, with the medical company having raised £1.5 billion. Various other companies, including tech firm Bitdefender and Filter Group, are also expected to announce plans to float this week. In other news, the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney has eased fears of a potential departure from his position after reports emerged last night that Carney is expected to extend his term beyond 2018. Speculation over the governor's future has been rampant over the weekend, as the Canadian has come under fire from Leave campaigners for his economic forecasts and even endured questions from Prime Minister Theresa May over the effects of the bank's quantitative easing programme. However, according to the Financial Times, Carney has told friends he is looking to complete a full 8-year term and will have discussions with May and Chancellor Philip Hammond before making his final decision. In Brexit news, City watchdog chief Andrew Bailey has cast doubt on the idea that there will be a mass exodus of bankers after the Brexit vote, with big financial institutions like London remaining very attractive. The report concludes that a free trade agreement would be a significantly preferable outcome in the long term, but recommends an interim framework to minimise the disruption and cost to companies, with Bailey stating that if bankers did want to leave London, they would have gone already. In indices, the UK 100 is currently trading up at today's open at around 6,970 mark. The Germany 30 is also pricing up at this morning's open, having significantly declined from Friday's close during the weekend, with its mid-price currently around 10,659. In corporate news, WPP, the advertising corporation, is releasing its third quarter trading statement today. ANZ is selling its Asia wealth and retail businesses to Singapore's DBS. McDonalds, its British arm, paid £123 million for franchise rights last year as part of a structure that's under investigation for enabling unfair tax avoidance. In upcoming data, 9:30 a.m, the UK consumer credit figures for September are announced. Also at 9:30 a.m, UK mortgage approvals data for September is released. At 10 a.m, Eurozone third quarter GDP is revealed, and also at 10 a.m, Eurozone CPI for October is announced. Thank you for listening.